All right, guys, in this video, we're going to go over SBLI's new simplified issue term product with Jimmy McMillan, head of term distribution at Digital BGA. Guys, this is a game-changing term life insurance product, and we're going to go through it in quick fashion here. Jimmy, tell us about this product. Let's go.
Well, what's going on, Jeff? Listen, I think people are constantly looking for more and more convenience, like you could go get to-go food from a restaurant, but nobody does that anymore. They do DoorDash. You could go to the grocery store and get some groceries, but they're not doing that. They're doing delivery. They're doing Instacart. And I think we finally have a partner in SBLI who's going to bring that to the life insurance market. And I'm telling you, I think this is the ultimate mortgage protection program. So anybody that's in that space, you got to have this in your bag. And anybody that wants to explore that market, if you want to start cross-selling additional products to the beneficiaries of maybe your final expense products, then, this again is a must-have. Because, again, it's convenient and it's got the face amount that you need to really serve the mortgage protection market.
Yeah, we're going to go into all those details. But really, this is a very simple application that anybody can write. The process... if you just get into a term conversation and you've never sold a term life insurance policy before, the pre-underwriting part of it, you just go through the pre-underwriting questions and it'll tell you exactly what to quote and if they can qualify. So we're going to go through that process here. We're going to go over the details. We'll show you the application process. Like the song said, it's quick and easy. I think it's the fastest term life insurance app I've seen and one of the best looking term life insurance applications I've seen before. So I'm going to share my screen here and let's talk about the specifics here of the SBLI Easy Trak digital term, which is on Life Insurance Fast Track. So liftlp.com. This is where you can access the application and the product. Liftlp.com. It's brand new to Digital BGA. We'll put more information out there later. But let's go over the highlights here. It goes up to $1 million in coverage. Talk about that.
Yeah, $1 million in face. A lot of other, there's mortgage protection plans that have been out there for quite a while. Most of them are going to cap out around $300,000 or $400,000. And again, that is okay if you're in a low cost of living area, but if you're in a place that has, more expensive houses, it's just not going to serve that market. So this is for that. I think the biggest feature though is the instant issue. I think the most unique feature about this is that it's truly instant issue. There's no phone interview. There's no waiting on an underwriter at home office to decide if you're going to get issued a policy or not. You as the agent are on there. And in one call, you go through the pre-qualification questions, you get to the end, and you have an approval, right? You can adjust that approval a little bit to fit whatever your clients need. You could sell more face amount at that time. You collect some payment information, and the client has a policy, a genuine policy right there in that one phone call. Again, nobody else out there is doing something like this right now.
Yeah, it's a pretty slick process here. It has the typical included riders. You want to talk about those? Just touch on those for a second.
Yeah, it does have riders for, accelerated benefits and things, for terminal illness, but it's also got a charitable giving rider, which is kind of unique, and a waiver of premium for unemployment. Okay. So again, for those people that are trying to get mortgage protection, they're worried about losing their jobs, right? So this can provide that peace of mind that will help them make a good decision.
And that's included. It's not anything extra that you have to add on.
That's right.
Additional riders that do cost a little bit extra are the child and grandchild riders, right? And there's other ones as well. But let me touch on that one real quick because that one's pretty special.
That's right.
Right now, SBLI Easy Trak is the only carrier that has a child rider that's guaranteed issue. There's no questions.
No question, child rider.
So if you've been in the market for a while, you've probably, talked to some people who are trying to get their kids covered, but they can't because of some disability or some disease or anything like that. And they're desperate for coverage and you can get them a child rider. So you would sell them the minimum face amount if you wanted to the parent and just add the child rider and they have coverage. Guaranteed issue child rider. Incredible.
Super cool. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, and then there's disability waiver of premium, accidental death benefit riders available as well. You got the Legacy Shield Digital Vault. Let's go into the application process. Actually, let's go to the pre-qualification process real quick and show you all that. Let me switch my screen share here. All right. So this is life insurance fast track. Okay. There's a bunch of carriers in here. We're going to go through a pre-qualification process here. That's going to quote a term person. Okay. So right now you're on the phone with somebody. You got their information. I just put in their name, put Texas, 500,000, 20-year term. I can add writers here, but I'm just going to do a quick quote. Actually, no, I'll do personalized quotes so you guys can see the health underwriting. So quick quote would just give you a quote without this pre-qualification. So let's just say this person's 6'1", 200, and U.S. citizen, right? So if it's going to have reflexive questioning depending on what you're looking at here. And, if you have asthma, it's going to ask specific questions and it's going to give you the right quote for all the term carriers out there. So this is going to show SBLI Easy Track versus all the other, I guess, core term life insurance products on the market that everybody's writing. So I'm just going to click now. I just want you guys to see the process here of pre-qualification. Imagine yourself on the phone with somebody and you're just asking them these questions. Okay. Clicking yes or no, just like you're taking an application. All right. I'm just going to click no to all these.
Yeah, SBLI has also made it really simple. They have great collateral, so really, really good material about, what their knockout conditions are. They really lay it out very, very simply for an agent.
All right. So here, it's giving you the best rates based on that. These are all fully underwritten, accelerated underwriting. These are not instant decision. If you go fully underwritten, you will get a better rate, but there's a chance they'll take an exam. Really healthy people, they could qualify accelerated underwriting, but you don't get that instant decision, right? You do have to wait. So if we go down to the best priced instant decision product, you'll see SBLI Easy Track right here at $135.29 monthly. Now let's compare that to Term Made Simple, which, American Amicable, $248 for 20-year term, $500,000. Strong Foundation is $252 a month. Okay, SBLI is $135 for instant issue. Remember, all above here are accelerated underwriting. You can see this right here. This one is instant issue. You're going to get a decision right on the screen. All right. And I guess if we lower the face amounts, I could have seen Mutual of Omaha Term Life Express, but this is cheaper than Mutual of Omaha Term Life Express as well. So all we have to do here, go ahead, Jimmy.
I said it is. When you compare it to like products, when you compare it to the simplified issue term products from AmAm and Mutual of Omaha, you're usually going to find that the SBLI product is going to be less expensive because it has additional underwriting classes for the healthier people that those other products don't have. You know what I mean? And so even if you do have a person that's, closer to standard table 2, table 4 rates or health, it's still going to price competitively with the other products that are in that same market.
Absolutely. So you can get an accurate quote here and feel pretty confident that you're going to get an approval because you entered in all those health questions. This would not show if they wouldn't qualify. Okay. The underwriting rules engine is built into life insurance fast track. All right. So now we'll go to the application here. All you do is click apply here and it'll start the application. I'm going to go into this learn demo e-app right here. I have it on a different screen. So let me pull that up real quick and show you guys what the application looks like. Really easy. All right. So if you click apply, it's going to come here. I'll dismiss this. This is just telling you this is a test drive application. This is what it looks like, nice and clean. It pulls the information that you entered in from the pre-qualification form here. Okay, I'm going to just click next. So basic date of birth, phone number, contact information. Okay, and then basic information here. You can see this nice status bar as you go here. Here's the HIPAA authorization form. Right. I'm just going to click next here. Next out.
Yeah. I mean, and then when you're in this test mode, you can also go up to the top and you can see exactly what the client's seeing too. You know what I mean? So before you run one of these Easy Track applications, you have the chance to go all the way from A to Z to see exactly, how the flow is going to go and how the process is going to go. Now, SBLI tells us it takes about 8 minutes to complete one of these applications fully. I found that for most agents, especially in the beginning, it's going to be about 10 minutes to do it. But still, I can't think of any other application that is this rapid, this quick, this clean, and price competitive with all the features you want, again, in a mortgage protection, product.
Yep. And you will have access to this test drive application too in your life insurance fast track portal here. So you can go through this and practice before you submit an app and get comfortable with the process here. But you can see it's nice and clean. Right now, we're already at the end here. They need to sign this, and you can check status here. But this is where I'm going to stop. And, you'll get a decision after the screen here, if I'm not mistaken, right, Jimmy?
That's correct.
Yeah. Okay. So, guys, SBLI, SBLI Easy Track. This is a product that actually has been out with a distributor that built it for a few years, and it's done a ton of production, and it's now available to the open market. You have to have access to this platform to be able to sell it. You can't just call SBLI, get a contract with it, and have it, and because you need this platform. And you can only write SBLI Easy Track if you have this platform. The platform is free. We'll get you hooked up with it. And SBLI is doing a really cool launch bonus. So if you're watching this in the first, call it 30 days, 60 days or so, they're paying $200 for your first issue paid out. Just can't be on yourself.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's crazy cool, man. Yeah.
They're bribing you. They want you to see this because they know you'll get hooked on it. Right?
Because look, it's super fast. Yeah. And you get instant issue. The market's been dying for a product like this for such a long time. Like, this is the thing that you don't need to wait 6 to 8 weeks for underwriting, on traditional term stuff anymore. Their clients are telling you they want convenience. You can finally give it to them and do so confidently. And again, in 10 minutes, have a policy in your hand. It's crazy special, man.
Yeah. It's an incredible product, incredible process with a really great company. And we think you guys will love it. So if you have any questions, you want access to this product, or if you even just want to see the agent guide. So we have it all on the website. You go to liftlp.com and then click on SBLI there, and you'll see the agent guide and some other marketing materials on there that you can download to see if this could fit in your bag. And there's no, you don't need to fill out a form or anything to get that. It's on the website, Lift Launchpad, liftlp.com. And if you're interested, you've got to schedule a call. We'll get you on this platform and you'll get access to this, and we'll get you a contracting link. All right. If anybody has any questions, reach out to us, but go to liftlp.com and you'll get more information and we can get you set up.
I love it, man. I'm pumped.
Let's do it.
Are you tired of waiting while your clients are unprotected? Then get on the easy track with SBLI, because it's quick and it's easy and your clients get the coverage they need. Because it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, and it's quick and it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, and it's quick and it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, and it's quick and it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, it's easy. So if you're tired of waiting and you want to make sure your clients get the coverage they need, then get on the easy track with SBLI, because it's quick and it's easy, and it's quick and it's quick and it's easy, it's quick and it's easy. SBLI, 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 SBLI. Because it's quick and it's easy and your clients get the coverage they need. Because it's quick and it's easy and your clients get the coverage they need. Because it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, and it's quick and it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, and it's quick and it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, and it's quick and it's easy, it's easy, it's easy, it's easy. SBLI, 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 SBL.